Essential skills. There are 3 essential skills you'll need to become successful as a barefoot sports therapist. First, your movements must originate from the center of gravity, the belly, also called the hara. This is accomplished by bending your knees, rocking your hips forward and back, and keeping a wide stance. Second, you must utilize your body weight wisely, using relaxed body mechanics, not strained force. The more effortless your barefoot sports techniques, the more relaxation will be transferred to your client. Third, you need genuine compassion. You must be especially empathetic to your client's physical and emotional state, or the treatment can become too aggressive. Barefoot sports therapy techniques. Barefoot sports therapy is very beneficial for you, the therapist, because normal strenuous hand massage techniques are replaced with effortless foot techniques. For example, the toe press and ball of foot press replace thumbing work. There's no more worn-out thumbs when applying direct pressure on acupressure points and trigger points. The heel press's broad surface does not cause pain like a pointy elbow can, and it doesn't abuse your shoulder muscles when you apply it. The full foot press is the most powerful deep compression technique. Why strain your wrists when applying a palm press? Use your foot instead. The ball twist is a great cross-fiber technique that replaces a normal fist twist. The heel glide is one of the easiest ways to accomplish a lovely deep tissue fascia stretch. The sole-to-sole glide employs a vertical body alignment, so there's no more hunched over, achy shoulders. The triumphant arch is a technique that uses the medial arch of your foot to wrap around curved areas like the scapula. The Shiatsu roll is a technique where your foot pushes, rocks, and rolls the client's muscles, creating a gentle rocking motion to the client's entire body. Body walking is a technique where 2 feet work in synchronized or alternating movements on both sides of the body at the same time. Thigh stretches are often incorporated in barefoot treatments. In this course, you will use the knee press and the cobra stretch. Laying on of hands is a type of energy work that is incorporated into various ancient barefoot therapy traditions. In Chinese barefoot traditions, deep tissue techniques known as yang touch are always contrasted with gentle strokes known as yin touch. Room setup. Lower your table to a height about 22 inches. Position your 28-inch stool against a wall. Position the table's face cradle about 3 inches in front of the stool. Cover the table and cradle with sheets and bolster as you normally would. I recommend placing a heating pad on the floor beside the stool to warm your feet, but this is not essential. Foot hygiene. Foot hygiene is essential. You must wash your feet and hands before and after every treatment. This can be done with disposable body wipes or antibacterial spray or gel. Toenails must be clipped short. Clean, pedicured feet demonstrate a professional appearance that is vital to your success.